Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf. This door shelf is located on a fresh food door and is used for the additional storage of the produce. This door shelf is the smallest one out of the two door shelves that are used. The main reason for the door shelf to be replaced is if it's broken and produce won't stay on it. In order to get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove this door shelf, use both hands to push it up, and then you can take it out. This is the old door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door shelf, we're going to bring it in, insert it inside the door, and press it down so it will lock in. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.